Haha! My
Freedom source port.
devours your...
Eternity engine.
Oh yeah, I bet you didn't see that one coming. Hey, what are you doing?
Check and mate.
What? That's cheating!
On the contrary, the rules clearly state that
Freedom
has an allergic reaction to
portals.
the last 2 turns. Ooh, it is on again.
We continue our live coverage from Velden. Just hours ago, the planet was attacked without warning by a terrifying alien race known as the Demons. Officials believe that an evil supervillain known as
Ampleon Lord Banana Man.
is the mastermind behind the attack. As you can see, the Galactic Rangers are putting up a valiant fight, but they are no match for these
Evil.
terrors. Indeed, this backwater planet may be completely destroyed in a matter of hours. Darla Gratch, Channel 64 News.
We're going home.
But
The wolf dimension is working in time.
oh no, not the gravimetric warp drive. The untested gravimetric warp drive? The one you built from bloggy and scrap metal? We are doomed.